Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we're going to be building the ATST that I built in my Minecarft single player Let's Play on the Endor area. So let's get starting here. Alright, so the first step here is the feet, of course. So you're going to put 3 smooth stone slabs like so, and then you leave one in the middle open, and then like this. You get your stone brick stairs, place them like that, and you place them upside downs right here on the back. Then you want to grab some cobblestone walls and place them just like this. Okay, so the next step, then we're going to want to grab some stone bricks, not infested, regular stone bricks like this. There we go. Place 2 up like that. Then get cobblestone walls again, like that. And then we're going to grab our smooth stone blocks like this. Then we're gonna get some polished andesite blocks, place them right here, and then this is gonna be, we're gonna be building out the top portion where the head's gonna be resting. So then we're gonna be placing some stone slabs, smooth slabs like that, stone bricks like that. Then we're gonna go out 1, 2. Then we're gonna go out 5 blocks. So 1, 2, 3. Then on the last 2, get the stone brick stairs like that, and they're gonna be facing upside down, not like that, like so. And then, oh, and of course we don't want to forget the 2 little hinge joints that connect the legs and the upper part of the body of the ATST. So we're gonna be putting some stairs like this, like that. There we go, perfect. Just like that. Then we're going to want to grab our polished andesite block skin and put 1 more on this side like so. And then we're going to get our cobblestone walls out again and put them just like that. So it looks like it's another joint being held together right there. Alright, so now we're going to put in the second hinge joint. The next, our ball socket hinge joint. And put them just like that. Perfect. We'll copy that on the other side. Perfect. And that is the second round of hinge joints. Now we're going to start working on the head. We'll do all the little details once we finish working on all the head, building the head and everything. So we'll put another stone brick here, and then we'll just cover this in for the floor. Then we're going to be putting the full cobblestone block right there, 2 upside down stairs right next to that, and then we're going to be wanting to put in a upside down stone brick like that, and then we're going to be wanting to put a flat one laying flat like this. Take that one out just like that. Now the other side, perfect. Now they're mirroring. So now if you want to have this thing shoot stuff, place the dispensers in the front. Well, who wouldn't want this thing to shoot stuff? So put that there. And then you will need another dispenser in a little bit for the side cannon. But we're going to get some black wool for the inside part so we can't see through it, where the gun's going to be. So put the black wool like that, and then put 2 cobblestone walls like that. Then we're going to get out the andesite, because the majority of the head is built out of andesite. So we'll just build all this up like that. Boom, boom. And then, of course, we have the eye, so we'll build up 2 blocks here. And then we'll get the stone brick stairs again and place them like this. If I can get this. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Alright, perfect. Now we've got our windows in for the drivers, or the pilots. And then we'll put 2 little smooth stone slabs right here for the little eye shutters that are in front of the eyes. And then we'll just finish covering up the rest of the cabin. I want to say cabin. And then, of course, oh yes, of course, the roof is going to be made out of stone brick slabs. Got the slabs, and we'll place them just like on top like so. We'll cover in all this. Okay, so with 3 blocks like that, so the top of the roof is going to be 2 slabs in the front and then 3 full blocks in the back. As you know, the back of the head is not entirely flat. It's kind of lifted up in the back a little bit. So then we're going to get some smooth stone slabs again. So there will be room in here for people to go inside. So if you wanted to put like a little stormtrooper or Ewok or like go inside yourself, you can. There will be a little piloting area to fire the dispensers and stuff like that. So we'll put our andesite block right there. Put smooth stone slabs like that on the side. Another one right here. Perfect, and then more andesite all the way to the top. And then let's just fill this in like that. And then in the back side, because they have those little ventilators in the back side of the ATSTs, we're going to put in some... You can put furnaces on the back, dispensers, droppers, whatever, because they all got the same texture. So let's just use the furnace real quick. We'll go inside. If I can get inside, there we go. Place them just like that. And then we'll open up our hole right here. So this will be the little hatch opening to get in and out. So, alright, so it looks like the next step is going to be adding the little cannons and gun little turrets on the side of the walker. So we're going to put some cobblestone blocks here just to mark them off real quick, just like that. This turret on my right side is very simple. Just put 2 cobblestone blocks like that, get a stone brick stairs, put them up like that, then the smooth stone slabs like that, and then we'll need a lever, and then we'll put one right here for the little detail. And that is one of the side turrets, and then this side will be one with another dispenser, so you'll be able to shoot whatever you want over here too. It's for more action play over here. And we're going to remove this placeholder block right here and place it with the stone brick right there, and then we'll get another dispenser and place that right here, and then we'll get another lever, put it right here. So if you want to shoot this thing from right here on the top for whatever reason, you can do that right there. And then just for right now, so we can do this later, we'll put a redstone dust right here. Yep, just like that. Perfect. And if you want, just put it right here just to make sure it'll work later when I'm building this thing. Then we're gonna get some more slabs and put another row of slabs like that. So if you want to, you can put a railing up here, because there's like they have a short little stubby railing on the top of the ATST, so it's just extra precaution and safety when the pilots were piloting the ATST. So now we're gonna add the little detail here. So we're gonna add some more levers here in the back. We're gonna need some oak buttons. Put them like this on the back, and we'll put some right here. Perfect. And then we're gonna get some stone buttons, because you need stone buttons too, and we'll put those on this side of the legs. And for another little function part here, if you want to add some more function into this, you can put a lever right here or a button to open up an iron trap door, so sticks with the color theme, so it looks industrial and spacey. So we'll put that there. Or sci-fi, not spacey. Sci-fi is a better word for that. And then we'll put some spruce fence right here. Perfect, like that. And then if you want to add more playability with this thing, you can we'll add the redstone in here. Alright, so make the inside more cozy or like functional, to make the inside more functional in here. So what we're going to do here is to add the firing mechanism for the ATST. Grab some redstone dust, place some right here, so that'll go right into the dispensers, and then we'll put, that's not going to work, one sec. There we go. And then we'll put our lever right here, or a button, it doesn't matter, you can do whatever. And then you hear, now it's going to be able to fire stuff if you want to put arrows or fire charges in there. Either works, and both look just as good as the other. And I think that is about it. I think this thing is done. So here is our awesome looking ATST for your building project. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful and cool. And I hope to see you guys in my next tutorial. Oh, there's a bat right underneath the ATST. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.